everyone, I'm Madikame from Karpavinayaga College of Engineering and Technologies. Our college has lots of amenities and I'm going to highlight few of it. Auditorium. Auditorium is a special place in a college where each and every student used to gather for every event. It has the capacity of more than 1500 people with AC facilities. The most important amenity is health service. Our college provides emergency services through KIMS Hospital with qualified doctors and treatment at free of cost, exclusively for students. For long distance and safety measures, our college provides best transport facilities for both staff and students. As a KVCETian, I am very much happy and satisfied here.